I am back with another video. I missed y'all. I really miss doing this, and let's see what we're gonna get into today. So I have the Winter Wonder Mystery Box by Colourpop. That's not going by fast, and I've only seen them like reviewed on YouTube. And so when I got the email that they had a mystery box, I was like, let me go get one. Let me see if I can sneak it in the house. So let's get started. How y'all been? Y'all like these earrings? They by Hoop Mob. They have some dope earrings. Like all the hoop girls. If you know, you know. Go to the Hoop Mob. They be having some cute stuff. All right, let's go. Oh, I see some cute stuff. Hello Kitty stickers. I'm gonna have to give these to my babies. I don't need them. Now, I grew up with the Powerpuff Girls. They are adorable. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these clips, but I'm sure I can find somebody to give them to. Oh, okay. Next up is an eyeshadow palette. I wonder, oh, these are those sorbet quads. I remember seeing these when they first came out, but I never ordered them because I was trying not to buy makeup. Didn't work out so well, but here we are. So this one is sorbet. Well, I guess that's the color. It's called sorbet, but it's one of those quads. Oh, and that's pretty. I don't know if you can see. Got a lot of stuff going on. Yes, I'm watching Fumi in the back. Let me see if I can minimize all of this stuff back here. But yeah, there we go. And it's really pretty. Let's see about these shimmers. Ooh, that broke apart, but that's really pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a pinky color. Probably shouldn't have done that, but oh well. Let's move on to the next thing because I don't have a lot of time to film this. And we have some doll lashes with their collaboration they did with Barbie. These are cute. I'm not really a lashes kind of girl because I suck at putting them on. Like, I try. I really do try, but they ain't for me yet. It takes me too long. And my daughter wears lashes beautifully. Like, pop them on and go. But these are a little too simple for her, so she probably won't wear these. But maybe I'll give them a try. Maybe. I don't know. Ooh, let's see what this is. Oh, this is adorable. I don't know what it is yet. It's got Bambi on it though. Morning Light Pixie Puff Highlighter. Okay. Do I put this on my face or do I put it on something else? I don't have things to open this with. Let's see. I don't know. Never heard of it before. Never seen it. But aw, these are so cool. So maybe it's just like a body highlighter, but there's a seal in there. I have to look this up. I doubt it's on the side anymore. But this is cute and different. I tried not to look up any boxes like on YouTube or anything like that because I kind of wanted to be surprised. Because sometimes I be noticing that these mystery boxes be getting folks for their $40. And everybody has the same thing. And I'll be like, what's the point? Like, that defeats the purpose. You know what I mean? But, oh well. So next up, we got something from their body line, the Soul Body. And it is the Body Cleansing Oil. Okay. I've never tried any of their body products or their Fourth Ray Beauty products because I have a lot of stuff that I kind of just like. But that's what it looks like. It's just the body oil or cleansing oil. Maybe we'll try it out. It says it's an oil-based cleanser that gently yet effectively breaks up and melts away dirt, sweat, and body makeup. Who's wearing body makeup? Well, I'm not wearing body makeup, so that won't be a problem. But yeah, you just massage it in and rinse it off with a body wash. Okay, or you can. All right. Well, it's free. Well, it's not free because I paid for it, but we're gonna try it. Oh, and I was just looking for some lip gloss. So this is the Luxe Lip Gloss in Eclectic. I think this is Eclectic, yeah. Now let's see what this shade gonna look like. Oh, that's cute. It's a real nude color. Like, it'd be cute with the lip liner I have on. I have on Chestnut from MAC, with just a gloss. So it's pretty nude. Pretty nude. That'd be cute. Let's try it on now. See what we like. No real color. It's kind of opaque. But it has sparkles in it, so it's cute. We're gonna try it again. I could just pop that in my purse. Now we have a lip crayon. Just a tint lip crayon. Like, I always got to give Colourpop their props because their packaging, like, I'm a sucker for packaging, and their packaging is always A1. It always looks good, always. Just a tint. Oh, I didn't even see what color it was. Z Boys. All right. It's a little mauve-ish. Oh, okay, I can rock with that. I can rock with that. With a liner and some gloss, I can rock with that. All right, let's see what else we got. I think it's another Soul Body item, which is cool. Let's see what we got. It is a glow oil in golden. Rich body oil that gives a hint of color and a touch of glow. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Ironically enough, well, not ironically, but funny enough, I have the Fenty one in almost this exact color. It's like brown sugar or whatever. Let's see if it comes out. Because I saw another lady, she couldn't get hers to come out. Oh, there it is. It's a little runny, but it's real golden. Ooh, I'm excited. You know, I never wore that one either, so we'll see. But we outside this summer. We're gonna be in Jamaica too. But, yeah. Ooh. Spread lightly, ladies. But that's pretty. And that's like the perfect shade. That is like absolutely something I would wear and share because I know I ain't gonna use that whole bottle by myself. But yeah, is that it? Huh? That's so funny. Look, at in the bottom of the box it says, "This is everything." And that was. So let's see. I think I paid like $30 for this box, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things, including the stickers. That's not bad. I forgot how much they said the value was supposed to be on this box. But I don't know. I feel like I got my money's worth because I think these items, I think the minis are like $10 to $15. I don't know how much this is because I don't think I would have bought a body cleansing oil. But I'm here for it all. I like Colourpop stuff. Plus, these are really cute. The little eyeshadow quads are cute. I could do a look with this, or at least I could try to look with it. But yeah, that was it. It's good to be back, y'all. I hope I could do more of these, or just more things in general. Yeah, because I miss recording, and I gotta get back on camera because I know y'all miss me too. I'm just saying, I would too. But yeah. So let me know what you guys thought about the box, and if you guys are into mystery boxes, or if you want to see some other boxes that I could do, yeah, we could do it. We could do it together. But again, it was good seeing y'all. Let's chit chat in the comments. You know, do you like Colourpop? Would you buy one of their mystery boxes? Do you even like their body stuff? Have you tried that before? What we doing this summer? Because I'm trying to get my brunch on. So let me know. All right, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.